Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install and set up the STM32 Cube IDE to program STM32 based microcontrollers. So let's start the video. So first of all, how to download or where to download this particular software. For that, you can go to the Google, type STM32 Cube IDE download, and then click on the first link that you obtain in the Google search. Now this link will take you to the page where you can download the software. So just click on Get Software, and depending on your operating system, you can download the software. For example, here you can download the software for Linux operating systems, Mac OS or Windows. So because I am using Windows operating system, I'll be going for this particular link. So click on the Get Latest Software. This will ask you for your email address, and an email will be sent to your email ID. Open that email, which will be sent from the STM Microelectronics, and click on Download Now button. Then you will be able to download the software. This software basically comes in the RAR format, or you can say in the zipped format. Unzip the software, and then you will get this particular software, which can be installed directly to your computer. Click on this particular software link, and then it will ask for the settings. Click Next, then agree the license agreement. Click on I agree. Then after that, it will ask for the destination where you will keep the software. I would recommend you not to change anything in this particular destination folders link. Just let it be the default link. For example, C STM32 Cube IDE. Click on Next, and then check on both the Segar J-Link drivers and ST-Link drivers. Click on Install, and this will install the software. It will take few minutes to complete the installation. After getting completed, it can ask you for keeping a shortcut on the desktop. If needed, you can check this particular checkbox. Otherwise, you can just leave it and click Finish. Once finished, you will find your software in the Start menu, from where you can run the software. In the upcoming videos, I will show you how to use this software and program STM32 based microcontrollers and develop projects around it. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please put your suggestions and doubts in the comment section. If you have not subscribed my channel, then I would request you to subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.